Hey, what's up, guys? Carolina Kev, we're back out in the garage. Continuing on with taking the dashboard out so we can get to the windshield. Now we're on the passenger side. We're going to start removing the glove box, and that should be the last of it. And then I can start on doing the bolts from underneath behind to get the upper dash pad off, and hopefully that'll be it. And then we can start trying to figure out getting the windshield out. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to start taking this glove box out. There's 1, 2, 3 that hold the door on, and then there's a couple of screws that hold the cardboard liner in. So we'll pop these off. All right, put this rubber piece back on so we don't lose it. That. I'm going to lay that off to the side. Let's see what we got next. It looks like this is just a bunch of screws holding the cardboard in. Look at that. Oh, it's just like disintegrating. It's not working out the way I wanted it. I'll have to figure that out. Alrighty. Looks like we gotta drop the speaker down. That'll probably be next. Wow. Alright, so we got the glove box out, the glove box liner is out. Everything else is out of the dash that needs to be out. We're just gonna go up under there, and how good you can see, we gotta drop that speaker down. And then we can start undoing. It's hard to see, but there's a bunch of clips and screws holding the dash pad on. So we're gonna work on that next. All right. Let's work on getting the speaker out of here. Looks like it's just one bolt. Let's have the wire soldered on it. Drop this down. Alright, continuing on, I paused to take a couple of pictures before I started pulling this stuff out. So I remember how it goes together. Alright. No. How does that come out? There's no... There's no screws up there. So what holds this in here? Interesting. It's almost like the speaker is molded into the plastic. This is good. What holds it in there? Let's start moving these clips out. Look there. Ooh. A little dirt from the 60s. It's okay. I can't believe that that's all that holds this thing in here. Yes, yeah. That's it. Still don't know how the speaker comes out of here. Alrighty, let's go grab a screwdriver. Now, continuing on, I'm going to pop these 3 screws out. Oh wow, look at that. Huh. Ta-da! This is metal? Oh, I didn't even realize that was metal. Huh. Part of the car. So I took all of that out for nothing? I'm gonna have to cut it. I don't like that. Okay.